Here is a small tutorial on how to sign up on Tabschool. Let's get started by visiting the Tabschool application. Click on the Sign Up. Fill in all the details required to sign up. Make sure you have filled the valid details. An OTP will be sent to you to verify your email and phone number. Click on the Subscribe to our newsletter option. Click on Checkbox to agree with all the terms and conditions given. Now, verify your email and phone with one-time password or OTP sent you. Next, choose the plan that fits your requirement. Or, you can even opt for a 15-day trial period of Tabschool. That's all.